San Diego. We did it.
We did it.
5 miles.
It was a good run.
It hurts.
He's a Navy officer. He's an officer in the Navy.
Thank you for your service.
I can give you his
Thank you
list.
for the support.
I can give you his enlistment number.
You're such a good military man. I hate my friends. 10 push-ups right now.
It's the view of the bay. Beautiful San Diego Bay. Beautiful city.
Peter, you gotta look at your face, man. That shit's funny.
I hate tequila.
Wait, you gotta watch Peter.
I'm very full. Wait.
Enough of us.
Thanks, man. Guys, turn and look at the video. Father Mayberry's in the video.
Bro.
Yeah.
Always for London. Who the fuck am I? Is that my reflection I'm seeing, or is it just a disguise? Tell me what you know about living with the feeling that you're insignificant. I'm only asking cause I can't get rid of it. Looking for a meaning but they all look different. I only say that cause I'm just considering.
Oh! Bro! Why? Just kidding. Here, let me hold your beer at least. Oh, grab him by the pinky and pull.
No, honestly, I want to give him a wedgie now.
Standing on the tube, I thought she was looking at me, but she was looking at you. Tell me what you know about living with the feeling that you're not intelligent. I only say that cause I'm just not getting it. Got a lot of feelings, but they're all irrelevant. I only say that cause I don't understand them. Tell me why you know
First one done, winner. We're trying not to puke. Everyone looks at each other. Be Zach, be Zach, be Zach, be Zach. You just throw it on him.
We don't have to go to the cigar place.
I was gonna say, I'm like, if I smoke a cigar, I'm gonna shit myself.
Yeah, probably not a good idea. Cigars make you shit?
I don't know. I mean, I guess the
Cigars make Tanner vomit immediately. Have you ever seen him? It makes him vomit within 10 minutes. Who? Tanner. When Tanner has cigars, 10 minutes.
The craziest part about
He's
that,
vomiting.
he hits one hit and it makes him puke. But that may maybe just fell off 15. My hand?
Yeah, something. Oh, this little crumb.
Ew.
What the fuck? What's on your hand? Vanilla.
Probably your nails that you're picking off.
Gross.